This is a visual video tutorial. So I stuffed some tissues in there. Half the time I show the box without any tissues in their tissue boxes. So I put a few in there just to make it look cute for the video. So I'm gonna take those out now. Okay. So I was trying to do a video with the lattice, and yesterday and my eyes was not cooperating with me so much, so I just gave up. But the design's pretty simple. I've showed it in other videos. It's the X design, and then it's just on a larger scale. So I'm obsessed with it. I think it's beautiful. I appreciate your time, and I'm thankful that you're here and that you want to learn something new. And I hope that this cool design inspires you. You can do any color you want. You don't have to copy my colors. You can do 2 colors, 3 colors, 4 colors, or you can do every box a different color. I just try to use the colors that I've chosen because they work good on the screen and for you to see. So that is the side. And you can do solid. You don't have to do the lattice. You can do the solid. I just did the lattice because I thought it'd be kind of cool. You know, cute and cool. And then I did the white trim because that way it kind of connects the box together. And so that's why, see, like with that line there, even though it's thinner than the others, it kind of connects it all together, as you can see here. So I think it turned out beautiful, and I really enjoy looking at it. I think it's so cute. Now the hole is smaller than I would like, but you can still pull tissues through it. You just got to be a little careful when you're tugging them through there, but I think for the most part it should be all right. Usually I'd prefer bigger, but I wanted the design to be more prevalent than the little hole that the tissues come out of. So it's your preference. You know, it's however you want your tissue boxes to be. So that's just mine, but there you go. Let's see, you can do a little close up there. So if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, give a thumbs up, all that cool stuff. They always tell you at the end of the videos, you know what to do. I shouldn't have to say it every time, but it's just the way it works sometimes, unfortunately. And I do appreciate you being here and taking the time to watch the videos all the way through. The views do help YouTube know that you enjoy my content and that you're actually watching. So even if you have to fast forward to the end and let it play out, that's fine too. I don't mind. I do need the views, so I want YouTube to know that what I'm teaching you is good stuff, so that they'll promote me more and I can put out more videos for you so that you can learn as I learn. There's a lot of stuff I'm learning as we go as well, so have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And I will see you soon.